Harbinger of spring!
Welcome to the Blanox Community Garden. I'm Doug Oster. We're at the Blanox Harvest Festival, and today I've got a whole team behind me, and we're going to plant
Daffodils!
Thank you, flowerbubbles.com, for the donation of the bulbs. We're going to go right outside the fence and get them planted. You going to be fun, huh?
Yeah!
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
Yep. All right, guys, this is how the bulbs look. This is a variety called Early Cheer. And early in the spring, these are going to sprout up and be these beautiful, very fragrant daffodils. And all we need to do is dig a hole with our power planter auger. Does anybody else want to use this tool besides me? All right, go, we're going to have fun. Let's put them in the ground. It looks like fun, huh? Here, let me see if I can get something in your ear there. Oh, no. All right, let's get to work. Everybody's going to get a chance. All right, so here we go. We're going to drill the hole. We want it to be about 3 times as deep as the bulb itself. Oh, was that easy? All right, put it down in there. Nope, wait a minute. Root side down. Other way. Perfect. There we go. Who's going to get their hands dirty and cover that up?
Me.
All right. Well, we got a lot more to do. Let's plant them up.
Yay.
Okay, your other right hand. Squeeze. Wow. Okay. Good. Perfect. Wow. Who wants to put a bulb in there?
Me.
All right, go ahead and grab one out of the bulb, out of there. So that goes down. Perfect. Who wants to get their hands dirty? All right. Who's my next driller?
Me.
All right.
A worm.
A worm.
All right. A worm that's gonna fertilize.
All right, you ready to drill? All right, here we go. Go ahead. Oh, good job. Holy cow, these are some real gardeners. I think you won the prize there. All right, guys, was that fun?
Yeah!
Are you going to come back next spring and see the flowers?
Yeah!
All right, what was the hardest part?
Nothing. It was all really easy. It
Oh.
was fun.
All right.
Fun.
Well, we had a great day at the Blanox Community Garden planting, right?
Yeah!
We're going to keep planting at home, right?
Yeah!
You're all going to come to my garden and help me work, right?
Maybe!
I've got a tool shed you can live in for a couple of days, okay?
No!
Do you just want to go have some fun?
Yeah!
Thanks, everybody.
Bye.
You can do better than that. Thanks, everybody.
Bye.